I'm recording now. What we will do next is optimizing photos. As you know, the heavier your photo is, the slower your website will load. So you really need to and compress your photos. I have a set of photos here, and let's just see how we do it. As you know, you already downloaded the image resizer. So for me, if I want to resize one photo now, let's say this one, I just right-click on it. This is the first way to do it. Right-click, and because I downloaded in French, it is redimensionner des images, or resize image in English. So I just click on resize image, and I have this small screen, the image resizer for Windows. And here I can select how big will be the image that I will the new resizing output is the ratio that is recommended: small, middle, average, and big photo. But I can also adapt it to a very specific size and give the exact dimension I want. Now, be very careful when you work on this to avoid losing your original file. Check on this checkbox here, the middle one. The original mustn't be resized. You must create another one. So if you check it like this, if you uncheck, then it will create another one. So now that I do resize, what it will do is it creates another file here. So you see this and that, they are the same. Apparently they are the same. The name are not the same because it's written here personnalisé or personalized, and this is another one. Now if I double click, if I look at these files, there are no major difference. If you look there, and you look at the other one, this is just smaller. Now let me do another resizing. This is the original. Then I go to resize image. Let me put it in small ratio, resize. This and that, you don't see huge difference, apparently. You don't see huge difference, but the big difference is when you look at the size. You right-click and look at the property. This one is 116 kilobytes, while this one, the original one, is 4 megabytes and a half. See the big difference. If you have to load 4 megabytes on a website, that will take some seconds, many seconds, maybe 30 seconds. While this one, which is just 116 kilobytes, we load very quickly. Same for here, the very small one. If we look, it is now 78 kilobytes. So this is very important when you handle website. When you load heavy photos, optimize it first, and then you can upload on your website. Is that clear? So please go ahead, do some quick tests. Do yourself and give me some feedback after 1 minute. So did you manage to optimize videos, your photos? Who has difficulties to optimize?